Most people get this wrong. They think wedding planning platforms are just digital checklists, but the surprising truth is that the Knot is a comprehensive tool that actually helps manage every detail of your wedding. From vendor management to guest lists, the Knot centralizes everything in one place. You won't believe what happens next. It even offers budget tracking, seating charts, and inspiration boards to make the planning process easier and more fun. For couples who want to reduce stress and stay organized, this platform is a lifesaver. Getting started is easy. Create an account and put your wedding date and location and start building your dashboard. The Knot recommends local vendors, allows you to track RSVP in real time, and provides reminders for key milestones. You can also collaborate with your partner or wedding planner directly within the app. A few things to note. While most features are free, some premium tools, like custom websites and advanced seating charts, require a paid plan. Also, the platform works best if you input accurate vendor and guest information. It relies on your data to provide actionable guidance. In conclusion, the Knot is ideal for couples who want a one-stop platform for planning, tracking, and managing their wedding. It saves time, reduces stress, and keeps everything organized in one central hub. Subscribe for more honest platform reviews to make your big day as smooth as possible.